Hey guys, how are y'all doing? How's your day going? And if it's just starting, how was your night? Hope you had or are having an amazing rest of your day, or you're having an amazing day. For those of you who don't know this yet, my name is Chibudom Obasi, or you can call me Praise. And you are currently tuned into a new course I just started, which is called Python Crash Course. Is a Python Crash Course basically. So in this course, we're going to be focusing on covering all the basics of Python and covering every single thing you should know when you are going into Python programming. So this is a guide of every single thing that is going to be covered in this 10 days course. So it's a 10 days course. So we're going to cover basic concepts of Python, which is going to cover the setting up of Python, understanding the Python environment, working with operators and input and output. You're going to start dealing with strings and variables because that is something that is very important. Strings can also be classified as variables, but we're going to get into all that in the video. They are going to work on control flow, and exception handling is going to fall under this control flow. So you have conditionals, you have loops, and you have exception handling. All of these will be focused on in this section. You enter functions and models. We're going to go into file input and output, functional programming, then Python as an object oriented programming language, and finally we're going to revise this. So if you're interested in joining us in this course, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube. If you're watching this on YouTube, but if you're not seeing this video on YouTube, my YouTube is Chibudom Obasi. The profile picture is the same as the profile picture of whatever social media you're currently seeing me on right now. Feel free to subscribe because it's going to come with books and a summary notes that I have created personally for you to use and quickly read through without having to go through a 300-page textbook. Is going to made up of multiple exercises that you can attempt, and I'm going to have a classroom environment where we can all take different quiz and grade ourselves. So if that's of interest to you, please like this video, share it to anybody you know who would be interested, and subscribe. Thank you, and I hope to see you guys here very soon.